I'm going to be showing you how to change your display name in Reddit, so it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first step is to find the app. What you need to do is be on your app library and you need to search for Reddit. So as you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it, and once you're here, what you need to do is look at the top right where you can see your avatar. So just go ahead and tap on that avatar, and now you have multiple options including profile and the option to create your profile and Reddit Premium, communities, drafts, and many more. You just need to tap on profile, and once you're here, you just need to find your current name, and right next to it you have this option right here that says edit. Just go ahead and tap here, and now you have the option to change your display name. Just go ahead and tap here and just use the name that you would like. And once you've done so, just go ahead and tap on the save option, which is right there at the top right. Once you do so, you have the option to change your display name. So as you can see, you have successfully changed your display name in Reddit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.